Today is New Constructions Tuesday, and we are in the popular neighborhood of East Falls Church in North Arlington. We are at 6701 Little Falls Road. If you have been researching Arlington's new constructions, you have certainly heard about one of the best builders in the Washington metropolitan area. I'm talking about Beacon CRest Homes. Let's get the basics about the house. 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 1 powder room. The house has a 2-car garage. It is built on a 10,846 square foot lot and has a total area of 7,852 square feet, all of it new construction and distributed on 4 levels. The house is listed by Dereck Huetnick with Beacon CRest Real Estate, and it is priced at $2,679,000. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. So as soon as you come into the house, you are gonna be greeted by this open landscape with huge spaces and very, very tall ceilings, about 10 foot high. You have a separate living room on the right-hand side with windows that span from the floor to the ceiling. And then on the left-hand side, you are going to have this gorgeous dining room. You can easily feed 12 people. This setup is for 8 people and you still have plenty of room. So it's ideal for family gatherings and entertainment. These staircases are wide and very open, which allows the light from all 4 sides of the house to come through, which is really, really cool. Then on the first level, you're gonna find a powder room, the only powder room in the house. One of the impressions I get when you get into the house this is a coat closet, but one of the impressions that you get when you come in the house is that this builder has a ton of really, really high quality in the construction. There's details that you cannot see on the video, but you're gonna feel it when you come into the house. Look at this family room. It is ample. You have a see-through fireplace. We're gonna be there in a minute on the outside. And then from the family room, you have a breakfast table and this gorgeous gourmet kitchen. The cabinets on the bottom are a dark gray, almost black, and the cabinets on the top are white, and the accents are in kind of a gold color and black finishes. Really, really well done. These countertop, it's about, I don't know, maybe 8 feet long. You have storage on the sides, very nice. And then you have Thermador high-end appliances. This is a 48-inch range with 2 ovens. And then you have this columned refrigerator, Thermador as well. Very, very nice. And this would be your freezer. Before we go to the 1 bedroom that we're gonna find here in this room or in this floor, we're gonna go through the butler's pantry into the dining room. So you have a wine refrigerator, more storage space, and this awesome pantry. Very, very well located. And of course, all the details on the wall, the accents, the lights, the light fixtures is very, very well done. Okay, so past the kitchen, you're gonna have two important areas. One of them is going to be your first bedroom. The bedroom has, you can use it as a bedroom for your in-laws or maybe an office space as it is decorated right now. And then you have a full bathroom. I love this shower. It is black with the ground is kind of a dark gray on the top, and then on the floor with the hexagon tile, it's kind of a silver color. It's very, very nice. Your handheld shower. And of course you have your closet. It's a small closet, nevertheless, it's a closet and you have access to the outside. So this is qualified as bedroom number one. Then past the bedroom, you're gonna have this very nice size mudroom with built-ins, very nicely done. And then you have this coat closet, double doors, it's pretty big. And then you are gonna have your 2-car garage. I was a little bit surprised because the privacy on the glass door, it's a completely blackout. You can see as glass on the other side, but it's a blackout on this side. And of course you have your 2 electrical panels over there, and you're gonna have your electrical plug-in for your electric vehicle. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the bad, the good, and the ugly about the different neighborhoods. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video and you do not want to miss it. And by the way, if you are looking to relocate inside of Northern Virginia or you're moving from another state, make sure that you give us a call or send us a text message. Every week we're helping tons of buyers like you, and we can help you too. All right, let's head to the second level. Sneak peek into the owner's suite, but let's take a look at the bedroom and secondary bedrooms first. In this level, you're gonna have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Every bedroom has a walk-in closet that is of great size. This would be your first, or bedroom number 2 for the total of the house, and bedroom number 1 for the second level. Then just across, you're gonna have bedroom number 3. All the bedrooms are really, really good size. Look at the size of this walk-in closet. This would be probably your secondary, primary bedroom. I don't know how you say that. Look at the views from the bedroom. Okay, let's take a look at, again, another full-size bathroom, shower with glass doors, herringbone pattern on the shower. And let's go to bedroom number 4 for the house, 3 for the level. Again, you have another walk-in closet, plenty of space, and your bathroom. Okay, and before we go into the primary bedroom, we're gonna go into the laundry room. Super fun tile. And you are gonna have a linen closet, plenty of space for your side-by-side washer and dryer. And again, without further ado, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. In the primary bedroom, you're gonna have a huge seating area over there. This room is plenty big. And you're gonna have two walk-in closets. The first one here on your left-hand side, and the other one is going to be inside of the bathroom. And in the bathroom, you're gonna have this massive shower and this tub under the window that it is gorgeous. You're gonna have two linen closets in the primary, and of course your two sinks, two mirrors, and your second walk-in closet for the primary bedroom. Let's take a look really quick here at this shower. It's of course a glass shower, and you have your handheld and your primary shower head. The colors are very elegant, very timeless. And again, you have a herringbone pattern with a small tile here on the floor. Okay, have a surprise for you in the next area of the house. It's going to be a third level. I would love to hear your opinion about the house, so go in the comment section and let me know. And if you are interested in exploring this house or any other house here in the neighborhood, don't hesitate, give me a call or send me a text message. We'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule. Let's go to the third level. Love the third level. The third level could be another suite for a grown-up kid. You can have an entertainment room, ping pong table, pool, whatever. You have plenty of space here to decide what you want to do with this room. This area here has a closet of its own. That's one thing that is incredibly important in houses, that you have plenty of storage, and that's exactly what you get with this house. You're gonna have your second HVAC for the second and third levels, and then you have your primary HVAC for the main level is downstairs. This would be your bathroom here on the third level, and this bathroom is attached kind of a Jack and Jill doors to the bedroom upstairs. And again, plenty of space. This bedroom is very big and it has its own walk-in closet. And if you thought that this was all, let's take a look at the basement, because it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we are in the basement. To my left-hand side, you're gonna have a big room. This is not counted in the 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. This would be, you could use it as a gym, exercise room, And then before we go into this great massive area, let's take a look at the mechanical room. Talk about storage space. The house is completely wired Cat 6 if you want to hardwire anything for the internet. and you have these two massive pumps, and you have your primary HVAC for the house. You have your plumbing connection here, and then you're gonna have your tankless water heater. And talk about entertainment. This room is not only it's big and spacious, it's ideal for entertainment. It has its own bar, wet bar with a wine fridge. Another view from here. And the most important thing, you have access to the backyard through that door. And then there is an additional bedroom here in the basement. And this would be bedroom number 7. Look at the size of this closet. And of course it has a shared entrance bathroom, just in case you have guests, they don't have to come through the room. You have full bathroom. Okay, let's take a look around the house in the backyard. Okay, so this house is in a corner lot, and it has plenty of space. Look at this gorgeous tree. And you have this covered porch with access directly into the living room or the family room in the house, and a fireplace that is shared with the interior of the house. And this would be the other side of the backyard. Hey, how are you doing? Very good. Thank you very much for tuning in with another edition of Brand New Constructions here in Arlington on Tuesdays. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video, you don't want to miss them. So we'll see you next week.